Tlhoge went to hospital to confront Uncle Libona about why her mom cut the family off. Orchid got attacked by a mob justice, and Gasa finally found out that Bafana and Mteta are responsible for contaminating his beef. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Tlhoge went to hospital to see Uncle Libona to confront him about everything that's been transpiring. Him dating Lihle and Tepiso girl being pregnant, and about her childhood. So what is it what kind of person are you? Instead of protecting these kids, when you are the one taking advantage of them. And then Libone says Lihle loves him and he loves Lihle. Now she's pregnant with your child. No one can prove that I'm the father. That he does not even look remorseful at all. Tlhoge then asked him, why am I a wallpaper on your laptop? Like my childhood picture is a wallpaper on your laptop. Again, this whole thing now makes sense. I think that is why my mom cut the family off, because she probably knew the kind of person that you are, and she told the family, but they protected you. That's why she cut the family off. That's why she didn't want you anywhere near me. Libana says, I've got your picture there because you're my niece. But and then Tlhoge leaves, sort of in tears or in teary eyes. Libana now is starting to have a reflection. I don't know if he's just reflecting or just worried that Tlhoge is going to remember what exactly happened. And then it seems like Lihle finally took the rape test kit, and Ntutuka talks to her saying that I feel bad that I wasn't there for you. I wish I was there. I feel like what Dad did to Libon is nothing. I would have beat him up to a pulp. But that wasn't going to help you. You're just going to end up in prison. Fana no baba almost did. And this is my mistake. It's my fault. It's the bad decisions that I took. Now I have to live with the consequences because I allowed an old man to make me believe that he loves me, get in my head and make me believe that he loves me. And then Upototo finally has a talk to Tugo about this whole Lihle thing, saying that he's so mad about what happened to Lihle because he saw the signs, he's been suspecting. And then Tugo is like, what? Are you saying what you knew all this all along at how? You knew Ganjani, but you knew all along and said nothing. Tugo is trying to shift the blame to Upototo. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell us? I knew and said nothing. Remember I told you when I would say, speak to Lihle, there's a boy by his side. But what did you say when? He was too busy. Tutu was busy getting drunk. I think that's why he regrets so much now, because if he wasn't so invested in alcohol, maybe he would have seen the signs. But he was too busy with Joala that he did not even pay attention to when Pototo was trying to warn him, go to check on Lihle, man. I think something's going on. Pototo, please, I did. You can't say I said nothing. I'm the one who told your mom. I'm the one that made sure they're able to get Lihle. When I told you, you were too busy with your own things. And then Ugasa has gone back to Mthetwa for his meat supplies. And how, so you're not going to give me another chance? Basakhuluma njalo. A mob justice comes. People are angry, they're furious, they start attacking. Obafana sells out saying, this is the person that's responsible for the contaminated beef. Tina and just Natala were fine. The mob justice bamthatha ke abantu, lifted Orchid up. They almost had him, tore his clothes up. David was so scared, begged them to and then David is blaming Ugasa. How can you let that happen to my child? Knowing exactly what the beef was contaminated and all that. And then Ugasa, if one Bafana rings, Ugasa picks up the call, only to hear Mtata talking. Mtata did not even want to wait to see Gutubano Kulmayo. Assumed go to Bafana because that's his phone. Started talking about, you see, no one died. Now we're back to business. And I sent your last payment. Ugasa is shocked. So now Ugasa knows Bafana no Mthetho behind this whole contamination thing. Ngapha Utiro is busy fishing information kusemiday ukuthi kahle where did uTaps Nomdala get money to buy such an expensive place? Because Etembeni was 10 million or 8 million, if I'm not mistaken. So he's trying to make sure, where did they get this money, just to see if they're not involved in any illegal things, so that he can turn Umdala in exchange for his freedom. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.